morning friends, welcome again to my channel. Today in our kitchen we are making banana almond mug cake. Yes, you guessed it right, it is another microwave recipe and I just love it because of the quick, fast, easy and healthy recipes over here. So the microwave oven is still a pinch, still there, but you know what, you can definitely do it in the oven also, and there are more recipes coming along the way just to show you how to duplicate the same recipe in an oven. But let's get started, and before I go into the details, this recipe only has like 5 ingredients and it is fast, quick and healthy like I mentioned before, and enough to check. Let's get back to our ingredients. Over here I have the banana. We are only going to do half a banana. This is just for one serving, for one person to have the mug cake, one serving. And I have 1 egg over here. And of course I have the almond butter. I use this brand, and the only ingredient in this brand is roasted almonds, so that is very good for our low carb as well. And over here I have the cacao powder. This is the organic cacao powder and the only ingredient is cacao. And over here I have the stevia. For those of you on a low carb diet, it is better to be on a stevia or truvia or any kind of natural sweetener rather than a sugar or even coconut palm sugar. Okay, then I have my mug and my whisk, and let's get started. First thing that goes is the egg over here. I'm just going to beat my egg. Okay, there we go. And I'm just going to give it a fast whisk until it's a little frothy. There you go. And now I'm just going to add half a banana. It's better that you have a ripe banana, but I have this one, it is partially ripe. So let's see how we can do this. Half a banana. There you go. You can just even slice it in if you are not comfortable doing the whole banana. And now it's really mushy. Make sure that the banana is completely mushy. It doesn't have any lumps in here. Let's move my stuff over here. It's more easier for me to show you guys. Almond butter over here. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of almond butter. 2 tablespoons. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. You can add even more if you want like a really chocolatey flavor, but I don't want the almond butter to be any less, so I'm just adding less of cacao powder too. And then 3 tablespoons of stevia. You can add truvia or you can even add some coconut palm sugar, but we are going on a low carb, so we are adding stevia here. Here we go. Mix it all very well. Oh, I can smell the aroma of the stevia. And vanilla is definitely an option in this recipe, of course. Okay, I'm just going to whisk it really nicely, lump-free. If you're not comfortable, guys, you can definitely go ahead and use a hand blender if you think this is a hard process to fight with. Alright, I'm just going to whisk it for another 1 minute and I'll show you how the consistency should be. This has to be like a creamy batter here. While I'm still mixing it, I just have to tell you guys that it has been tested for many times and I have made a lot of mistakes along the way, and I learned my lesson on how to do these mug cakes. So you are in a better place to try this without any guilt. There you go. It has to be like a consistency like this. As you can see, there is no lumps in this. And it is getting ready to go into my microwave for 1.5 minutes. Almost 90 seconds. Just I wanted to show you how I have wiped out the outer layer so it doesn't form like a glaze in here when we are trying to do our mug cake. Alright, it's getting ready to go in the microwave oven for 1.5 minutes, that is 90 seconds. Alright friends, my mug cake is ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how it is done. So clean and beautiful. And I did the toothpick test already, but I will show how it is done. I have the fork over here. I'm just gonna go and dip it in the middle and voila, beautiful. And I'm just going to flip it through and I will show you how it is done. Hey guys, I don't know if you guys noticed that, but this is a Texas mug. As I am from Texas, it's bury me with my boots on because Texans are very big into boots, if you don't know that. So here we go. This is my favorite mug and my banana almond mug cake in this one, and you have to try this, guys. It's delicious. Guys, this is how it looks when it is flipped through, and I have taken my bread knife and I have cut it in half over here, as you can see. And voila, look at that. It is so moist on the inside and very, very tasty on the outside. I just can't wait to taste it. Wow, this is absolutely delicious. There is no way I'm going to share with anybody in my family, and I hope you do the same too. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and hit the bell button. I'll see you in the next video. Delicious!